So this is kind of proof that you can think you've lost a plant, and then you get to mid-spring in the Musa Basjoo, and you just see the pup slowly, making his way through the substrate, and even like the central growing point here. I thought it'd be completely mush, but it's not. Yeah, it kind of shocked me because I've never had much success with bananas in northern England. And there we go. I finally had some success. I dug it out the ground over there where the callistemon is, and I put in here thinking it was just going to be, that's it. But I think the subsequent sort of warmth on in the glass house has sort of made things sort of, well, better. But I just wanted to show like how nice it's looking in here right now. I know we haven't had like the most ideal warm spring, but recently things have just came into their own, and wow, it truly is looking quite magical. Yeah, so but my point was, with some plants, especially if you live in the northern part of England, you can think they're dead, and lo and behold, they come back just like that. And another great example here is this guy. This is my Camerops humulus, and most of the leaves have been like this for predominantly all over winter. And then I put it in the greenhouse. I put it into I dig it up initially, sorry, put it into a terracotta pot. Bit of heat in the greenhouse. Look at it now. Fine. There's gonna be some, damage from this year because we had a cold spell initially, so I'm waiting for my Washingtonia to recover, but I know it will recover because you can see by the frond that it's fine. But it looks a bit messy. I don't really like that. But we'll give it time. I have to replace one of my Phoenix Canariensis with the cordline, but this is quite a nice cordline. This is Cordline australis red heart, and well, it does have red heart, and I've never seen a cordline like that before, so I thought I'd get it. But yeah, the point is, I'm happy that the banana's coming back. That's cool. Don't have to spend extra money. Yeah, plants are quite fascinating things, aren't they?